What made you think of that? Are you taking pictures or
taking
video?
a video. Oh my.
Go slow so you can get on. Look,
Oh
get
my.
these.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Oh my. Look at that. Oh, funny. The cars are scaring them. That's cool. Look at that. They're all in one yard. Oh my goodness.
What are they doing?
They're going house to house. Uh-oh, they're coming back. Oh, they're going to that house. They don't know where they're going. Now they're going to a tree. That's weird.
What are they doing?
They're so cold, honey. They're melting the snow.
This is creepy.
The birds. You need to watch that movie, Christina.
No, I kept hearing all these, like,
There goes more.
right there, right up here, and I didn't know what it was. And all of a sudden, a big flock of black stuff goes across the window. I couldn't see anything. I was like, oh my goodness, what is that? What in the world?
They're having 2 different conferences. No, well, actually kind of like 3.
Did you just see that?
Yeah, look at that. They're all squishing in. Look.
Here comes some more.
Say, we're coming. We're late, but we're coming. RSVP. They're like in that yard the best.
Oh my
Dude,
goodness.
they're all close to the road. Look, they're trying to get close to the
They
road.
were right in our yard.
They're on the edge, Christina.
Oh
They're on. Look at they're flying to the edge of the road.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh, here comes
Oh
the
no,
car.
here it comes. Whee!
No. Oh, look. Now they're going to Miss Dana's.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that is too weird.
Oh my goodness. That is weird.
Oh, that's cool. Look, they're coming off the roof over there. We're coming. Come on, guys.
I'm going to go in your room and look at it.
Well, they're going to be gone before long.
Well, Hillary Clinton is stepping down today as our Secretary of State, and she
Whoa.
with something of a bang, taking one final shot at her critics over the deadly terror.
Close that back
Look
up.
at him.
I know.
Here's part of what's
Close it up when you're done, okay?
Okay.
That's amazing. Oh, amazing.
politics and in the press who can't speak
Here comes a car.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
space war.
What conference room are they going to
Here comes
now?
another car.
What conference house are they going to now?
That car's going slow. He's like, wow.
All to go is editorial editor at the Wall Street Journal and has
Hmm.
on this. You know, the ambassador Chris Stevens was serving our government.
What was that?
Circumstances and asking
I'm going back in my room.
Unfortunately,
What are they doing?
what evidence
They're doing something.
we know the evidence that they ignored security risks that were pointed and frequent. We know that the ambassador himself had requested more security. We know that the administration decided that they wanted the light footprint after Gaddafi.
I gotta
fell.
hurry.
Therefore, they quickly stepped back, allowing
Oh man, you can't see now. They're moving. Oh, I dropped my iPod. They're moving.
Be careful, honey.
To my room. Gotta get my shoes on. It's gonna be cold. What? I need to get a coat on. It's cold. Um. That's a lot of birds. Oh, wow. Oh my. They're loud. Okay, I'm done.